Time to pen up all the animals for the night. This is, I guess, part of the farming life. You gotta, in the summertime, you gotta stay up late because sometimes not all of your chickens mainly are in for the night. So you gotta stay up late. So we do have a light in here, but I just make sure. Okay, there's the drake and there's the girl. Okay, ducks are in. Yeah, sometimes birds don't like to go to bed until the sun's down. I like to go to bed a little earlier because I gotta wake up at 5 in the morning to help my wife milk, and then I gotta drive an hour to get to work. And okay, so now we gotta count the chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, 8. Okay, we have 8 red stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, how did I miss again? Nice, I'm awful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. 2 guineas, 1 rooster. Those little bannies, 2 in there, 1 here. Okay, and then we got 11 of these smaller ones. So 1, 2, pullets, I think they're called. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. 11. Okay, everybody's in. Close it up, turn the lights out. Okay, now check on Darcy. She has enough food. And the goats, they got enough water. Okay, so now there's a trick. Cause I gotta get them to come in here. Come on, Day Day. Come on, Day Day. How am I gonna get you to come in here? I got hay. Will you come for the hay? Come on, Day Day. Come on, Day Day. Here, Amber. Here, you eat it. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Whoa, no, no, no. Here. Here, it's right there. Eat it. So I gotta trick them and I gotta run around quietly. And shut that before anybody can run back out. Whew. Okay. Then come back around and kind of do the same thing. Hopefully everybody's over there. Oh, sneak over here and shut this door. Okay, and then count everybody. 1, 2, should be 5 in here. Alright, good night, girls. Everybody's munching happily. Sweet dreams. Oh, these rocks. Chickens just scratch at that gravel. Whew. Okay. Close up the chicken coop. One of these days we're going to fix that doorknob. And then the billies. Gotta do the billies. Now they're a little more, they like to give you a hug or a push goodnight. We got the small billy on one side, so the big guy won't get me. We have to put double locks on these. You gotta get back here before he hears you and he comes running out. There. Okay. You gotta double lock this. And that's done. That's what we gotta do every night. Oh, hi boys. That's how you keep all your animals safe for the night. Night, Darcy.